Hello, my name is Gwenna Rowland, and our team project is about smart cities and urbanization. Our homepage has a graphic talking about what makes a smart city. There's also current examples of smart cities. Other examples of smart cities include New York City, London, Tokyo, and even Pittsburgh here in Pennsylvania. We have a video here at the bottom of the home page that goes more in depth into individual smart cities around the world. Up here at the top, there is a graphic that I created for our site. And the topics that we chose are quality of life in a smart city, the environmental impacts, and the risks. On the page that I did is environmental impacts. Here at the top of my page, I have a video talking about what makes a smart city. The key components to a smart city are the infrastructure that is built around technology and the environmental initiatives that go into those different programs. Today, approximately 55% of the world's population lives in urban areas, but the United Nations predicts that that number will increase to 68% by the year 2050. This means that creative solutions for issues like waste management, energy, and air pollution are critical to support those densely populated areas. My first topic is about air pollution. Smart cities are big on not only preventing the release of pollution into the air, but also reversing the pollution that is already in the air. In my paragraph, I talk about a project they've implemented in China, which literally cleans the smog out of the air. Another cool thing that they implement is creative parking solutions, like apps that show you where there are available parking spots, so that way people aren't circling, trying to find spots, releasing more emissions into the air unnecessarily. Some cities also use sensors to detect air pollution levels in different areas of the city to try to find causes of the air pollution and potential solutions. My next topic is energy in smart cities. Smart cities use a smart grid in combination with the IoT, the Internet of Things, and I delve into that in my paragraph here. These smart grids can also detect problems along the utility lines, so that way people who are out of energy or who are out of water can get their problems fixed more quickly and more efficiently. Another cool initiative that revolves around energy in smart cities are adaptive streetlights. And adaptive streetlights are streetlights that aren't just on all the time. They react to things like human and vehicle presence, sunrise and sunset times, and even the weather to dim or brighten. That way that they're not releasing energy for no purpose and lighting up areas that aren't being used. And that really cuts down on energy usage in general. My next topic was the waste management in smart cities. The key component of waste management is finding ways to increase sustainability, because largely populated areas also create a large amount of waste that needs to be taken care of. Waste management companies in smart cities use sensors and the Internet of Things to detect whether waste bins are empty or full. If they know that they're empty, it means that they don't need to stop there and waste resources, waste time, release pollution to go to places that they don't need to be. It also detects whether the bins are full and need to be emptied. That way they can prevent overfilling, trash spilling out, getting into the environment, littering, and just making the place dirtier. Smart cities also promote composting. They'll have large communal compost areas where citizens can bring their composting items. Instead of throwing them in the trash, they can be turned into something useful. Down here I have my resources. We all put our resources down at the bottom of our page instead of creating a separate resource page. And we'll just check out the Meet the Team page. So it was just us three on this project. The first teammate is Anissa Cologne. This is me, Gwenna Rowland. And my second teammate is Mackenzie Nietrauer. I really enjoyed this project. I enjoyed learning about smart cities. I appreciate the initiatives they're taking to green and combat climate change. I think that's really important. And I also worked well with my teammates. Thank you for listening to my presentation.